So we have this situation, we have to integrate given thing. So the idea is, you know that if we will take this thing as z, we can create this situation, hopefully. Okay, so first let's take that minus 4x cube as z. So dz by dx will become minus of 4 3 is 12 and it is 2. Okay, so can I take that thing as dz by 12 minus x square dx? Okay, so look at this. Let's break down this question as x cube into e power minus 4x cube, and we have x square dx. Now let's apply the replacements. So if you will talk about replacement, this thing will become what? This thing will become minus of 1 by 12 and then dz. Now this thing you have taken as z, so it will become e power z, and now you have to replace x cube, so you can replace x cube as minus of z by 4. Okay, now take that 4 outside, so it is 48 integration of z e power z. Now it is two function in the product, so you can apply integration by parts, and we have that formula so that we can decide which function has to be taken first and second. Okay, so inverse, logarithmic, algebraic. So algebraic function has to be taken first and then exponential function. So 1 by 48 taken outside. First function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function into integration of second function. Okay, let's apply the formula. Means replacement, you know that integration of e power z is e power z only, minus differentiation of z is 1, integration of e power z is e power z, again we have to integrate, so it will become e power z plus integration constant c. Okay, now you can apply the replacement as the answer was in x not in z, so you have to replace z with minus of 4x cube. So let's do it. 1 by 48 minus of 4x cube e power minus 4x cube minus e power minus 4x cube, and this is 48 plus integration constant c. Now look at this. You should have e power minus 4x cube and 48 together. So what I will do, I will take common e power minus 4x cube by 48. So e power minus 4x cube by 48 taken outside, and we will be left with minus 4x cube minus 1. Okay, plus integration constant c. So your f of x becomes this. Okay, so f of x is equal to minus 4x cube minus 1. I hope the idea is clear, and if you will have similar situations, you can handle accordingly. Okay.